Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sociology. Today we will discuss about Comte's law of three stages. The law of three stages is an idea developed by Auguste Comte in his book The Course of Positive Philosophy in 1822. According to Comte, society as a whole and each branch of our knowledge or human mind passes or are developed through three mental different theoretical conditions. They are the theoretical stage and the metaphysical stage and the scientific stage. Comte considers his law of three stages based upon belief in social evolution to be the most important. There has been an evolution in human thinking so that each succeeding stage is superior to the and more evolved than the preceding stage. One stage is related to another stage. The theological stage is the first stage of the law of three stages, and at this stage there is lack of logical and orderly thinking. The theological stage implies belief in supernatural power. This type of thinking is basically found among the primitive races, primitive people. In theological stage, all natural phenomena and social events were explained in the terms of supernatural power or supernatural force. People believe that all things are caused by supernatural power. This stage is dominated by priests and ruled by military men. According to Comte, the theological stage has three sub-stages. They are fetishism, polytheism, and monotheism. Fetishism. Fetish means inanimate and ism means philosophy. Fetishism is the primary stage of the theological stage of thinking. In this stage, people believe that inanimate objects have a living spirit in them and people worship inanimate objects like trees, stone, a piece of wood, fire, etc. Polytheism. Poly means many. So that the belief in many God is called polytheism. Fetishism created doubt among the minds of its believers. As a result, people turn towards polytheism, the explanation of things through the use of many gods. A few examples of would be god of water, god of rain, god of fire, etc. Monotheism. Monotheism means believing in one god or god in one. People believe in a supreme power which controls everything in this world, and the supreme power is responsible for the existence of the universe. Metaphysical stage or the abstract stage. Metaphysical stage is the second stage of the law of three stages. Meta means beyond and physical means material world. Supernatural being is replaced by supernatural force. Rationalism started growing instead of imagination. Rationalism states that God does not stand directly behind every phenomena. Pure reasoning insists that God is an abstract being. Under the metaphysical stage of thinking, it is believed that an abstract power or force guides and determines all the events in the world. This stage is also dominated by religion and metaphysical thinking. Descartes believed in a concert God. The nature of inquiry was legal and rational in nature. The positive stage or the scientific stage. The positive stage is the last stage or the final stage of the law of three stages, and the positive stage represents the scientific way of thinking. The positive stage is based upon facts, and these facts are gathered by observation and experiment. All phenomena are seen as subject to natural laws that can be investigated by observation and experiment. The dawn of the 19th century marked up the beginning of the positive stage in which observation predominates over imagination. All theoretical concepts have become positive, and the concept of God is totally vanished from human mind. Human minds try to establish cause and effect relationship. Mind is actually in search of final and ultimate cause. The scientific thinking is thoroughly rational and there is no place for any superstition in it. This stage is governed by industrial administration and the scientific moral guides.